Today I will tell you about the heart. Heart is a myogenic, meaning auto-regulated, hollowed muscular organ made up of cardiac muscle. Human heart has 4 chambers, in which 2 are upper chamber and 2 are lower chamber. The 2 upper chamber are small and thin and are named as atria or auricle, and 2 lower chamber are larger and thick and named as ventricles. All these 4 chambers are separated by a partition wall, which is named as septum. The septum present between right auricle and left auricle is known as interauricular septum, and this interauricular septum is made up of thin muscular layer. Similarly, septum which is present between right ventricle and left ventricle is named as interventricular septum, and this interventricular septum is made up of thick muscular layer. On the other hand, septum is also present between auricular and ventricle, and this septum which is present between auricle and ventricle, separating auricle from ventricle, is named as auriculoventricular septum. Those auriculoventricular septum which is present between right auricle and right ventricle is named as right auriculoventricular septum. Similarly, those auriculoventricular septum which is present between left auricle and left ventricle is named as left auriculoventricular septum. There is 3 openings in the right auriculoventricular septum. Similarly, there is 2 openings in the left auriculoventricular septum. The 3 openings present in the right auriculoventricular septum is guarded by 3 muscular flap, which is known as valve. Similarly, the 2 openings in the left auriculoventricular septum is provided with 2 muscular flap, which is known as valve. The valve present in the right auriculoventricular septum is known as tricuspid valve, and the valve present in the left auriculoventricular septum is known as either bicuspid valve or tricuspid valve. In heart, there are two specialized musculature which is known as nodal tissue. The nodal tissue which is present in the right upper corner of right atrium is known as sinoatrial node, and the nodal tissue which is present in the left lower corner of right atrium is known as atrioventricular node. The function of this nodal tissue is to generate action potential that causes the contraction and maintenance of heart rhythm. Here, sinoatrial node, which in short named as SAN, produces maximum number of action potential, that is 72 to 75 times action potential per minute, and that is why sinoatrial node is known as pacemaker of the heart, due to which only heart is known as myogenic organ, that is auto-regulated organ. Heart doesn't needs external stimuli for creating response, meaning in terms of contraction. The contraction of heart is independent of external stimuli. Heart contract and relax by itself. The contraction and relaxation of heart is dependent on internal stimulus, not on external stimulus. In the next lecture video, I will tell you about the functioning of human heart. Thanks now.